This is my 2022 Isle of Man Green BMW M3, the first one ever available in all-wheel drive. And today, I'm going to tell you 5 things I love about it. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. This is my 2022 Isle of Man Green BMW G80 M3 Competition xDrive. And today, I want to tell you 5 features that I absolutely love about it. Number 1, no key, no problem. You just ran out to your car to get something quick and you realized you forgot the key inside. But with the digital key from BMW, you can now not only unlock your car, but with your phone, you can even start the car. So foot's on the brake. Nothing, but if you put your phone up here, you're gonna see that digital key and you can start and even drive your car with just your cell phone. Not only that, if I wanted to give guest access, maybe to Zach or so, you can even send a digital key to their phone. You can remote start the car. You can see a 360 surround view if you have the 360 package. I'll do that for you here. So if maybe you're on a business trip and you want to check on your car, make sure everything is good, you have a 360 surround view of your car from anywhere in the world. From the app, you can also lock it, you can unlock it, you can flash the lights. You lost your car in the parking lot, no problem. It'll actually sound the horn, start the car, and much more. Number 2, it has a wicked launch control. In our own testing of this video, which you may have seen in this video, you will know that we ran low 11s, completely bone stock, all-wheel drive. What does that mean? This is a serious GTR contender. Number 3, the ability to go from 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive on the fly. Check it out. As you can see, there are loads of configurations for this car. You can have it in 4-wheel drive, you can have it 4-wheel drive sport, you can even have it in 2-wheel drive. But what's better than that? You can program 4-wheel drive to maybe your M2 button if you want all wheels all the time, or if you want to do some drifting, just hit number 1 in your 2-wheel drive. Number 4, BMW's carbon fiber seats. As many of you know, I retrofitted a set of these in my F80 M3 and I love these seats. We recently did a performance delivery in South Carolina on this car, which is about 11 hours away from New Jersey. My wife and I flew down and then drove the car back. I was really nervous about that drive. With every hour that went by, I'm like, my back's gonna start hurting, it's gonna start hurting. And it never did. It's like when you go to a hotel and they have the softest, most plush bed in the world, and you wake up the next morning and your back is wrecked. Or you go to the one with the Tempur-Pedic and you wake up and you're like, huh, I feel pretty good. That's how these are. And not only do they feel great, they look unbelievable. Speaking of those unbelievable carbon seats, the little guy who kicks my carbon fiber seats, which brings us to number 5. This is a very big car. It is almost the size of a 5 Series from the previous generation, which not only is it fun on the racetrack, but it's a very practical car. We have 3 little kids. You can see we've got one giant car seat, we have a booster, and then my other guy doesn't need one. But it fits all 5 of us just fine. Now, although that is a very short list of things we love, the list actually goes on and on. From we got the extended leather package, so the doors are all leather, the dash is leather, it has 360 cameras, has a ton of features, but you're just gonna have to wait for a full review video where we're gonna go through a lot of the nitty-gritty details of the G80 M3. Anyway, once again, my name is Bryan, that's Zach behind the camera. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.